so naked, Brad, help me. I'm like feeling so emptiness. But I'm gonna showing the top coat, so then it's gonna look so nice first. And also you can turn and get the top coat underneath to make it looks nice. Hey Doris, how are you? Hi Maurice. All right, pop this guy in the lamp, but I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put it underneath. Usually I put it underneath of the client's nails, not like whole nails like this, but it's just right on the nails, so then it show see-through. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And the pop. Oh, you want to see this, what I did earlier if you're just tuning in? I'm gonna open it. Ta-da! I did this earlier. So this is gonna be like one of the prize for 20,000 followers giveaway is coming and really shortly. So please stay tuned for our post. Also, if you have any questions. Oh, pink. Oh yeah, you are right. You could do pink crystals on the pink nails. I know. Thank you, Michelle. And I top coat already, Brad. You didn't rescue me earlier. But we're doing tomorrow too. Tomorrow we're gonna be back. Tomorrow Friday we have another live tutorial. I'm so excited. We'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow Friday? Okay. Tomorrow Friday and Saturday we're gonna have both live tutorials. It seems like the week goes so fast though. I feel like today's Monday, but probably not all of you want it like Monday. But I feel like today's Monday though. But can't like when you're enjoying it and really excited about it, it's just like the time go fast. This is so cute. Can I please see the other nails? So this one is so gorgeous. I'm gonna take a picture of it. And it's gonna come nice and wrap. Okay, so this is a couple of really cute one. It just, I tap it in to make it looks like a blending background. And this is really cool using a stencil. Get me one of the stencils. And there are so many different designs in there. All of these cool things. And you use it as a stencil, and then the part of it you can use it for encapsulating. This one looks so cute. I can't wait to try it. What is that? Spinning?
No, it has it.
Huh?
Biohazard.
No. It not. I don't know. Whatever. Pretty Nuna. Which one is your favorite? So is the one with the round one. This one? This one. This one, right, Nuna? This is my favorite too. It was so cute though. Well, I don't know. They're all my favorites, I guess. This freaking cute. I can't get over with that.